OKRs are the latest in a long line of goal management processes. Each model has made some contribution to the framework we apply today. The history of OKRs is as old as strategy itself, dating back to medieval times and Sun Tzu's Art of War. In a nutshell, it's about the art of focusing on what really matters. Let's fast forward to modern times and the rise of management science, starting in the early 60s. The leaders of Toyota were the first to apply a goal management process. They used Hoshin Kanri, a 7-step process for strategic planning. It laid down the building blocks of all models developed since then. Later in the 60s, Peter Drucker introduced management by objectives, known as MBO. This model sets out how to define clear goals and what this means for management. 14 years later, in 1981, George Doran came up with a SMART way of goal management. Each letter in SMART signals a different criterion for judging objectives: specific, measurable, aspirational, realistic, and time-bound. In 1983, the balanced scorecard entered the scene. Developed by Robert Kaplan and David Norton, this framework focuses on identifying a company's main goal categories to figure out how the entire workforce can join up to achieve them. 1999 and 2003 saw the emergence of 4DX and V2MOM, which are less well known. 4DX defines 4 disciplines of execution, while V2MOM looks at a company's vision, values, methods, obstacles, and measures to set goals across the organization. OKRs only rose to fame in 2017 with the release of John Doerr's book, Measure What Matters. Despite its youth, the model has already been widely adopted by leading companies in the tech sphere and beyond. 2 strong and original ideas set OKRs apart from other goal management processes. The first one is to boil down the number of objectives to focus on the essential. No more than 5 objectives and a maximum of 3 key results per objective. The second one is the concept of a quarterly, not annual, strategic goal setting cycle. Together, these 2 ideas make OKRs highly dynamic. A vertical approach is coupled with horizontal alignment and great flexibility. The framework is not rigid, but can be adapted to the scale of a company, business unit, function, team, or project. OKRs are the one process that truly promotes agility at scale. Therein lies its key value.